We will start with the format of the writing test in academic module. So writing test in academic is divided in two parts, task 1 and task 2. Task 1 is a report writing. So you have to write a report of minimum 150 words on a given diagram. Minimum 150 words means you cannot go below 150. If you will go below 150, there will be a penalty. But maximum limit is not mentioned. You can go up to 180 words or 200 words as well. But I suggest that you should not waste a lot of time and many words in doing task 1, because ideally there are only 20 minutes in hand for you to complete task 1. Why we are only giving 20 minutes? Because you have to write 150 words minimum. 150 minimum means you can go 160 up to 180 words. And the band weightage of this part is 1/3 of the total writing test. So according to the band weightage, according to the word limit, we are going to give only 20 minutes to task 1, because anyways you are not going to get more than 1/3 of the total writing test. This is one example of the task 1. You will get any diagram. Diagram can be a graph, a map, it can be anything, but in the form of a picture. It will be a pictorial representation, and you have to write a report on that picture. Okay, this picture can be of various types. This can be a diagram, a map, anything, but in the picture form. We will discuss it in detail when I will tell you about writing task 1 academic. Task 2 is an argumentative essay, and this is common for both academic and general IELTS. You need to write minimum 250 words here. Again, we can go from minimum 260 to up to 280 words, but we will try not to get more than that limit. Obviously, there is no upper limit, there is only minimum limit. So the lower limit, if you go below that, that is 250, then you will get a penalty. This is an example of task 2. This is a simple agree and disagree essay. Types of essay, mainly in broad categories, there are only 2 types, opinion and non-opinion based, but then there is a third category called mixed questions, where you need to give your opinion, sometimes in a non-opinion based essay. So these are the examples of opinion based essays. Do you agree or disagree? To what extent do you agree or disagree? And so on. Non-opinion based essay, which do not ask for your opinion. Advantage, disadvantage, problem solution, cause and effect, and discuss both the views. Mixed category. Do the advantages outweigh the disadvantages? It's very common these days. Discuss both views and give your opinion. And double questions, where there are 2 questions which might or might not be related to each other. And these are writing band descriptors. Task achievement, coherence and cohesion, lexical resource and grammatical range and accuracy. I have discussed all of these in a separate video. Please go through that, because before understanding these band descriptors, you cannot write a good essay. These are the sample answer sheets when you opt for a paper-based test. So there are 2 sheets different for task 1 and task 2, and you cannot swap these 2 sheets. That means if there is a sheet meant for writing task 1, you have to write task 1 only. If it is meant for task 2, then you will write only task 2. Keep in mind. So this was the format of academic IELTS. And knowing the format is very, very important, so that there are no surprises for you at the exam day. I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, please like, subscribe and share my channel.
Thank you for your support. Happy learning.